Hello and welcome to Yumi's Place. I'm a digital artist and cat lover. Pretty new to the community here on YouTube, but I'm always looking to reach out and get to know other people. I saw a video where another channel was reviewing other YouTubers. I thought it was a really cool concept and I thought I would do that today. The channel that gave me the idea was Photo Manipulation, and these guys have been really cool talking to me. The owner, Dean's, been really cool. I've talked to Reed over there, and they've really guided me and helped me with my video content, give me pointers on how to improve what I'm doing, and just taking the time out of their day to give me 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes of their day, I thought was really cool, because who am I to them? Just a stranger. But they're willing to help out. And in this video right here, Dean's looking at other content creators reviewing stuff and going over their videos, and I thought it was a really cool concept. So I want to do the same thing in this video. I'm going to put all the links below to everything I'm going to show you in the description, but let's just jump over to a few channels, and I want to show you some really cool artists. So the first one up is Visual Monk. Not a ton of content, but wow, would you look at this artwork. It is just beautiful. This is a very high level of Photoshop skill right here. And I really think you should check him out. He's got 1.82 thousand subscribers. He just posted a couple of days ago. So head over there and subscribe and hit that bell notification, because that's going to really help the channel, but it's also going to help you stay notified of whenever he posts new content. The next channel I wanted to show you is Massive Productions, a very new channel, but you know, posting every week, and some really cool artwork in here for the stuff he's posted. I mean, the way he did the leaves in this video here, it's just really cool. So I really liked it. He's new, but hey, we gotta show support and love to these new channels that are growing and help them. So if you enjoy Photoshop content, head over to all of these channels. Here's Massive Productions again. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification. Also, you've got their Twitters or Instagrams. If you want to follow them on all their other different platforms, you can find their links. So Massive Productions. The next channel I want to show you is PS Jordan, and he has a lot more content. He's got 1,000 subscribers, a little over 1,000, and he posts fairly frequently, but he's got a lot more content. I mean, just some beautiful artwork here. So highly encourage you to check out their channels, watch their videos, show some love, comment into their videos, and say hello. Just say hello. Meet these new creators. I mean, they're doing really great stuff. And you know, what good is producing all of this amazing artwork if not a lot of people are seeing it? So let's get some people over there and let's show these people some love. Subscribe, hit the bell notification. The next channel I want to show you is Matif. Now, if I mispronounce any of these names, I apologize. I don't really know these people per se. I've talked to a few of them in chat here and there, but I don't really know anyone. So I may be pronouncing names wrong, but I think it's Matif Photoshop. 38 subscribers, but you know, posting fairly good. Got a good start here and some good quality stuff here for you guys to check out. So check out their stuff. And here's another channel that was featuring other artwork from other people. He also does that kind of video. So thank you, Matif, for you know, showing other artists and giving them a chance to get their work out there. Appreciate you, man. The other channel I want to show you is Hassan Mia. I have no idea how many subscribers they got, but that's okay. They've got some really cool work. I mean, come on. Tell me this isn't some very cool work here. So head over and check him out. Hassan Mia. Oh, Starro's Attack. I just watched the Suicide Squad. That was freaking great. I loved the Suicide Squad. You guys should check that out. But here's one where Starro attacks. So that's pretty cool. So again, head over, subscribe. He's got his Facebook, he's got his Instagram, his Twitter. It's all here. It's all here. And the last channel I want to show you here is Minutia Nirmal. I hope I'm saying that right. I really apologize if I'm not saying that right. And it looks like he covers a lot of different programs, not just Photoshop. But again, there's a lot of content here. A little over 1,000 subscribers. Well, actually, a little over 1,600 subscribers there. But a lot of content here for you guys to take a look at. So I hope you do. I hope you head over, check them out, and subscribe to the channel. And the next person I want to show you is not on YouTube yet, but he is on Instagram. And oh man, I just love his work. So this is Johan van Ginderen. I hope I'm saying that right, Johan. I apologize if I butchered your name. But this one right here, when I saw this art, I was just like, oh man, I gotta have this as a poster on my wall in my office where I work. It is just a amazing piece of art. Just amazing. And then there's another one with a PlayStation controller that is equally amazing. And I've been talking to him, and he seems like a really, really cool guy. I said, does he have a YouTube channel? He might be launching one soon, what have you. But primarily, he's right here on Instagram right now. So if you have an Instagram account, come over here and hit that follow button. Follow him. He's already got 1,000 followers, but help him out and follow him because, I mean, look at this artwork, man. And this is me right here. This is me running the rat race, okay? This is me. I'm in the little wheel, except I'm really not that fit. But that person's way fitter than I am. But running that rat race. But I just love this artwork here. Just some really, really cool stuff. And he's only been doing this for like a year. He's only started Photoshop like a year ago. I think he said a year ago. I could be mistaken, but I think he said a year ago. And that is just an amazing amount of talent and skill for that amount of time in a program, let me tell you. I mean, because it doesn't just show a skill level with the program itself, but a high level of knowledge of just basic principles of art, lighting and shading and just great stuff, composition. So that's everyone I wanted to show you. So I'm going to go through them one more time for you guys. It's Visual Monk. Check out Visual Monk. Check out Massive Productions. Check out P.S. Jordan, digital artist. Check out Matif Photoshop. Check out Hassan Mia. And Manusha Nirmal. And, of course, Johan. And also, please be sure to check out Photo Manipulation. Not only here on YouTube, subscribe, but also you want to head over to the Facebook. They got a great page over there called Photo Manipulation where you can post all of your work. And people will, comment, and they'll check out your artwork. So you really want to check them out, not just here, but Facebook, Instagram, and all those places. And also, you're going to want to check out Neostock if you're a Photoshop artist. This is where, I mean, look at this stuff, man. This is the stock artwork that you can get. And this stuff is just off the freaking chain, man. I mean, the costume quality, the professionalism of the photos, the lighting, and they've got all kinds of cool stuff, historical and fantasy pieces. Look at this, man. Look at all the cool stuff you could be doing with these with this stock. You got sci-fi and cyberpunk. Look at this stuff, man. And each one of these, I believe, has all kinds of different poses. Yeah, so you can get this if you like a certain model, way it looks, the costume. You can buy these bundles and get all these different photographs of all these different angles and poses. Just freaking cool, man. Freaking cool. Action and suspense. How's this stuff, man? I mean, come on. So anyway, thanks for checking this video out, guys. I really appreciate it. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel as well. If you just happen upon this channel on YouTube, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification. But also check out all these other YouTubers. And if you are a content creator out there who's getting started with a YouTube channel, does Photoshop stuff, and you want me to feature you in an upcoming video, go ahead and drop me an email, yumisplace@gmail.com, and I'll try to get you into a future video. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next video.